Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the FS Coach, and in this video we'll be doing another edition of our weekly review. Alright, so my usual way of doing this is to release the video by Sunday, which is yesterday. Alright, but I was quite busy with a number of things and I couldn't meet up to with that time. Alright, so I'm doing this video now. So today is Monday, and first, we will do a review of our previous week analysis, and we'll talk about what we have into the week. All right. So now, last week I said this is a selling point. All right. First, we should establish that the market is now in a very strong downtrend, so you are looking for a selling opportunity. So I said this is a very good spot to pick your sell. This is another good spot to pick your sell. This is another good spot to pick your sell. All right. So then we have our entry here, and then the market actually gets our target, which is to give us the previous low that we have at this point, 1819. All right, which was actually achieved. All right, so I'm still expecting gold to get to 1800. All right, but then we don't want to sell from every every spot. All right, so we want to get in the best price, just like we did here. So we want to get in a very safe price. All right, so now we shouldn't be looking at all these levels again. So I'll just take this out just to clean our charts, and I'll show you the next level we're looking out to. So we don't need all these levels again, because the market has not gone back to test this level again. All right, so i'm looking at I'm looking at this supply here, and don't forget you are getting out at 1800. Okay, so I'm looking at, if this market can retrace back to this zone, I think we should have a sell. If the market should come back to anywhere around this zone, we should pick a sell. Okay, we should pick a sell anywhere around this zone and expect the market to come down to 1800. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at to going into this week. First, I've established that the market is in a very strong downturn. Let me see this. And again, I feel I shouldn't be deleting. We took a sale right here, so that we can track our performance. I pointed out that there's a sell here last week. No, sorry, our first weekly analysis, and we pick a sell right from this selling point here. Right from this selling point here. So we have this last week. Okay, no, 2 weeks ago, and then we have this last week, and so this week also we are going in for a sell anywhere around this point, guys, so we can get in for our sell. That's what I'm looking out to. And again, we should look out for the momentum that the market will use to trigger our entry. Okay, if you see that this momentum is too massive to break this zone, then probably you might not need to get into this market. Okay, now for my entry here, it was actually this movement that triggered my entry. All right, for this also, the market was just going down until the news came in and it triggered entry at this spot, and then continued to go down. Okay, so let's just wait for the market to play out. If the market pushes up, not with some big candles, all right, and then we get to our entry, then we can expect the market to come down to give us a lower low. Remember the rule that I gave you guys. Remember the rule. When we are in an uptrend, we expect the market to give us higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high. Okay, this is the normal conventional movement for an uptrend, and for a downtrend, which is the current trend that we have in the market, you can expect the market to give us some sort of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we are expecting some sort of this structure, right? So we want to look out for supply zone around this level. And if you have been following me over time also, you will know I trade support and resistance a lot. All right, so that's what I love to trade. So I trade support and resistance a lot. So I'm just looking out to any support or resistance to go in line with the trend, all right, and then I'm going all in for it. So this is what I'm looking out to for the sell, and I'm going to publish this. I didn't publish our analysis last week. I didn't publish it. That was a mistake on my end. All right, so I'm going to publish this. I'll try as much as possible to publish this, and let's see from daily time frame so that we know what we are working with. Because always remember, I work with higher time frame to know levels where the market, this is a very strong level right here. Okay, so I actually feel this market want to take off this imbalance here. Okay, so market want to fill this imbalance just like it did here. Okay, feel the imbalance continues to go down. All right, so let me take this off so that our chart is looking neat. So I stated earlier that we established our downtrend ever since this sell broke through this low that we have here. Like I just explained that the market is in an uptrend when you continue to see higher, higher, higher low. Immediately you start seeing a lower low, it means the market is already changing. All right, so that's what we have. And let's look at what the market will do for us this week. So guys, to provide perspective from a lower time frame, so this is 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes, and you can clearly see that the market has been giving us lower low structure, lower low structure, lower low structure, and then we have our lower high right here, right? So we can expect the market to come touch this lower high that we have and then go down to give us a new low, right? So that's what I'm basically expecting on gold. Okay, just to give us a new low right here, and whatever will happen. All right. So also as well, you can also break your structure into lower time frames. All right. So because you can you can trade this structure. Look, this is a break of structure. So we have a lower low right here, and then the market ranging around this place. Then break this structure, come back for a retest. So this is cool for a sell, for another sell. All right. And remember that all of this is coming from the fact that from higher time frame we have established that this market is in a very strong downtrend. So the same thing applies. Lower low, lower low. So the market might reject from here and continues to go down. Alright, but I believe this is a better price right here. Okay, so that's what I'm actually looking out to. So I hope you understand how to read market structure, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, just to find just to find the best price for you to get into the market. All right, guys. Cheers. I will update this. I'll publish this, and if you feel like going to how we've started this analysis, then you can check out, and also we can be able to track if we win on this trade or we lose on this trade. All right, guys. Cheers, guys. Have a profitable week ahead, guys.